Have you ever wondered how we truly understand literature? Not just what a poem says, but how it affects us emotionally and intellectually. Today, we explore the life and ideas of one of the most influential literary critics of the 20th century, I.A. Richards, the father of practical criticism. I.A. Richards, whose full name was Ivor Armstrong Richards, was born in 1893 in England. He studied at Cambridge University, where he later became a professor and revolutionized the way literature was taught. Unlike traditional critics, Richards believed that literature should not be judged by historical background or author intention, but by the reader's response. Richards is best known for developing the concept of practical criticism. In his classroom, he gave students poems without revealing the author's name or context. Why? Because he wanted students to focus purely on the text itself, its language, tone, and meaning. This method helped readers develop critical thinking and avoid bias. It also marked a shift from traditional literary criticism to a more scientific and analytical approach. Richards introduced a very important idea called the 4 kinds of meaning in language: sense, the literal meaning of words; feeling, the emotions conveyed; tone, the writer's attitude toward the reader; intention, the purpose behind the text. According to Richards, understanding literature means balancing all 4 aspects, not just focusing on one. Richards was deeply influenced by psychology. He believed that literature affects the human mind and helps balance our emotions. He described poetry as a way to bring harmony to conflicting feelings within us. This idea made literary criticism more connected to human experience, not just theory. Some of his most important works include Principles of Literary Criticism, Practical Criticism, The Meaning of Meaning, written with C.K. Ogden. These works laid the foundation for modern literary theory and influenced later critics. In conclusion, I.A. Richards changed the way we read and understand literature. He taught us that meaning is not fixed. It is created through interaction between the text and the reader. His ideas continue to shape literary studies even today. So, next time you read a poem, ask yourself, what do you feel? What do you understand? Because in the world of I.A. Richards, the reader truly matters.